Ibrahim.
You just received Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, a junior brother to the former president and the current flag bearer of the NDC in our midst. Ibrahim Mahama, in case you don't know, he is a native of Anglo. So he's just here to say hi and exchange pleasantries.
Ibrahim Mahama, my relatives, I haven't stopped to say hello. I'm saying hello now. True. My air is not good, so I won't try it here. Thanks for receiving me. On this day, it didn't reflect to me that there was an event here until I got in here to bury one of my workers, and I heard that the mini Hogbe was here. Fortunately, I also noticed that my brother wasn't in town, but I can't come to my own motherland and not come and join my family members. So after I was given the Baku and Fetlidechi in Maoko's house, he insisted that he brings me here to say hello to my family members. I hear the event of the Hogbe is next week. So I came to add on to what my brother contributed and adding 50,000 Ghana cedis to the event. I also just came and heard there's a library being built. I'd like to meet the contractors who are building the library and see if I can supply how many bags? No, 5,000 bags of cement. And in the course of it, in building it, I'd like to add 100,000 Ghana cedis to the laborers to build it. So this is my pleasure. Thank you very much.
Toby Bojo Etonlea, Lucif Yaga and Paramount Chief of Fugu Traditional Area, Abadada Toby Agbesi Awusu Evelia, Toby Tenge Jokoto, the 7th Fiagan of the Amugu Traditional Area, Aomafia Shito Toby Gan Abodakwi, as a starter for the library or the library complex, an amount of 10,000 Ghana cedis. And this is just a starter. And then he has another 10,000 Ghana cedis to support the Hogbetsotso and Hogbetsotso festival. In addition, he has sent us with 50 sachets of 50 cartons of bottled water, 14 bottles of assorted drinks, and a number of items, soft drinks, and a number of items to support this occasion. And so we formally hand this over to the planning committee. Thank you very much.